Hi, I'm Alyssa, and today we're gonna make a recipe that's perfect for the summer heat, and it is watermelon popsicles. You're gonna need a watermelon. Order these popsicle bags from Amazon, and it comes with a funnel, liquid chile, and some spicy powder. It's not really spicy. Limes, kosher salt, and a blender. So the first thing you want to do is when you pick out your watermelon, you want to make sure it has a dark kind of yellowish brown spot. Make sure you rinse your watermelon before you cut it. But when it's this dark, it means that it's ripe. When it's not, you're not going to have as sweet of a watermelon as you would want. So when you go to cut it, basically I use a serrated knife. Just use with whatever you're most comfortable with, and you just kind of enter. And you try your best. Nobody's perfect. Ta-da! 2 halves. All right, so we're going to make this one be our popsicles. We'll save this one for eating later. All right, so I think the easiest way to cut the watermelon is to approach it like this. The good thing is that this is for popsicles, so it doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. All right, so let's check one out. Ooh. Watermelon. It's so perfect. You can smell it. It smells so sweet. Oh my gosh. All right, so now we have it all cut up here. We're gonna put it in the blender. So get your blender ready. I think the safest way, the most efficient way that you're going to put this watermelon in the blender is with a spoon. So I just spoon it out. I need a space here. Ooh, did you see that? Wow. It's so watery. Oh. Our blender's all the way full, so we're going to blend it up, and then we'll fill it up with more watermelon. So we'll close it up, turn it on, press frozen drink. Uh-oh. We got a survivor. Chunk's too big. All right, so I know you noticed that the rind was obviously, I left all the watermelon on it. So you can have this as a treat for your family or whatever. Sit. You like watermelon? Yeah. That's about all we can fit in there because we still have to put the rest of our ingredients. The next step is putting in 1/4 cup of lime and a dash of kosher salt. So we'll just open it up. We got our lime juice freshly squeezed. Ooh. And just a dash of kosher salt. Ooh, wow. Let's just spill salt everywhere. And then we blend. Now that our watermelon's properly blended with the right ingredients, we're going to make our popsicles. So you need your popsicle bags. You know, you can have any popsicle bags. These are just what I have off of Amazon. You know, it's got this press seal right here, the zip seal, and it came with the funnel. So you just hold it in your hand, put the funnel right here. This isn't foolproof, you know, you still have to pour it, so just be careful. You're gonna fill it about halfway. At least that's what I do, if the lid would stay open. A little more than half. Then you're gonna pour in some of that liquid chile, just a little bloop. Then you fill it the rest of the way to the fill line. You put a little bit more liquid chile, and then take this out, sit it there, so if it drips, you know, it goes back in the thing. Top it off with some powder, the spicy powder here. Seal it. And then put it down in your thing that you're gonna put in the freezer so you keep it flat. All right, we just keep going. So if you have people in your family that don't like liquid chile, or like wherever you're gonna have this, if you think somebody's not gonna want liquid chile or the spicy powder, just make, you know, half of them watermelon popsicles. You can just fill it up all the way. I just think that the chile and the spicy powder give it just this like zing, tasty zing. That's what I crave. I crave this kind of stuff. So that's just a watermelon one. If you see it, no spicy powder. Spicy powder. It's not really spicy. Okay. It's like so liquidy. The watermelon's just sitting on the top. As you can tell, our watermelon kind of separated from its watermelon liquid. Watermelon. Doesn't need too much, just kind of to mix it back together. Go back to popsicle making. See, actually that's kind of the proportion of chile to spicy powder that I would really want. Glad you mentioned that. Now you can really tell. The popsicles are done, so now we're gonna put them in the freezer overnight or for just at least 8 hours. All right, so I know I said 24 hours, but it's been a few days. Forgot about these popsicles. Super good. You can see the chamoy, the seasoning at the top. These things are just that Ziploc. Pop it open, squeeze it out, ta-da. All right, if you liked this video and you made it all the way to the end, like, comment, subscribe, post pictures if you tried it. I'm telling you, these popsicles are good.